He's not. He's gonna fly away. You're gonna spook him that he's gonna fly away. Stella, you hear me? Just put the fish on the table and stand back. So, let's put the fishes on the table over here for him. Okay? And we step back and he can come down and eat. Because you could sit over here and watch him. Okay? Go over there, eat. Here, another one? Here. Step back here, there's more. Still, just sit back. You're scaring him. Did she drop it? Yeah. Sit back. Don't stand up, okay? You have to stay quiet and still, and then he will come. There's more on the table over there. Look, more on the table. Still, sit back, I said. You're scaring him. When you move, he's scared. So stay still, and maybe he'll come down and eat.
I'm not eat. I'm not eat.
He will come
Sit.
down. You stay still, Stella. Stay still and stay quiet. And he will...
Quiet.
See, he's looking, but he's waiting for you to get still. So he can come down and eat. Stella. Still, if you're gonna move, he'll just fly away and there's gonna be no birdie to feed. It's okay, birdie, no one's gonna touch you. Just don't poop on the balcony. Still, sit down. Hey, okay, still. If you're gonna stand up, I'm gonna take you off the balcony, you understand? Here. Oops. Want to put it in your mouth? Is that what you want? Wait, don't touch it, okay? I'm scared of you, don't touch. Wait, stop drooling. Let me just put it in front of you. I don't want to take it from my hands. I freak out.
Mommy, I can't do the booty. It's a gizzard.
It's not gizzard.
Call the bird a gizzard.
It's a seagull.
I see those.
There you go.